I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee table. First, decide on a design that fits your room's style. Then, measure your space to determine the perfect size, considering both length and width. Next, choose your materials like solid wood or plywood and ensure you have all the tools ready for a smooth building process. Now, let's move on to cutting and assembling your table's components. Carefully cut each piece of wood to your exact measurements. Remember to drill pilot holes before inserting screws to avoid splitting the wood. Then, securely attach the legs to the apron, making sure all your joints are perfectly square and tight for a sturdy foundation. Next, it's time to attach the tabletop and begin the finishing process. Carefully place the tabletop onto your assembled base and secure it firmly. Once attached, sand all surfaces thoroughly, starting with a coarser grit and moving to a finer one, to achieve a perfectly smooth feel. Then, apply your chosen stain or paint, followed by a protective top coat for lasting beauty. For the final touches, carefully inspect your newly built coffee table for any small imperfections or loose connections. Consider adding felt pads to the bottom of the legs. This will protect your floors from scratches. Give the entire table a good cleaning to remove any dust or debris. Now, you can proudly place your custom-made coffee table in its perfect spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.